Hi everybody, it's Nikki here today and I am going to show you guys how to get this cute sock bun for people with short hair, so stay tuned. Step one is going to be taking a comb and just pulling your hair back into a ponytail. I usually like to use a comb because sometimes my hair gets messy and bumpy when I pull it back, so if you use a comb it won't be too messy when you do that. And as far as where you want to place your pony, you can put it as high or as low as you want. I like high ponytails, I'm a dancer, but put it wherever you want it doesn't really matter. Like most people with short hair, you'll probably have a little bit of extra at the bottom that won't fit into your ponytail. So just take a couple bobby pins and secure that up to the back of your head to get it out of the way. And here's how it looks when everything's all pinned up. Next, you're going to take a chignon or donut bun maker and pull your ponytail straight through it. You're going to want to tease your ponytail for a little bit more volume because you don't want the chignon showing through, especially if it's a different color than your hair. You can get these basically anywhere. I got mine at Sally's Beauty Supply, but they can be found at drugstores or H&M even. Now you're going to use your hand to flatten it from the top and then just wrap your hair around the bun maker, making sure that it's all going in the same direction and looking smooth. So if your hair is too short to do this, you can go ahead and just pin your hair straight down around the bun maker instead of wrapping it. Now you're just going to take a ton of bobby pins and go crazy with them. Just make sure your bun is as secure as possible. Finally, you're just going to adjust the bun to make it perfect. You might need to use a little bit of hairspray, but other than that, you're all done. So there you have it, your sock bun is now complete.